There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. It's me again. I'm trying to measure a piece of steel here. I need to cut it out. I need a freaking ruler, so I need something. I need to straight it. Oh wait a minute, here's a straight edge. Duh. Just need something straight and heavy. There we go. $10 for a buck. This is gonna be the one. Okay, cut out 4 at the same time. Yeah. I'm that guy on what is it? That channel used to draw. I should get a curly haired wig and it could be him. You know, the guy used to do all the fancy drawings. Everybody knows. Everybody knows who he is. At one time, I'm sure we've seen him on the channel. Late night, let's all draw zebras. Yeah, okay. So anyway, this is not exactly artwork. There are 4 straight lines on a scrap piece of metal that is cut purposely too big. And voila. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to cut this out and I'll be right back. Hello, YouTube. Say hello to my little friend. I need to flatten this out. I need to somehow flatten this out. I mean, I don't know if I want to make it out of this. See, it's already like warped and shit. So should I just go get like a cheap set of knives that whatever? I don't know. See, the cutter, it's nice and strong. Well, I think I need to cut it with a. I think I need to zip cut it with a grinder. That's what I think, because the chop saw over there is warping it. I mean, it's not the chop saw, the freaking thing with bobber. My what the hell's that word? My metal shear. It's great for cutting metal off, but it's I'm gonna have warped freaking claws. You know what? I think this is what I gotta do. I gotta cut it with or I can use a flat bar. A thick flat bar, maybe. I don't know. The plastic ones are pretty plastic. Mind you, plastic's pretty flimsy. So I need I don't know, maybe I'll just make it out of this. Christ. It's a goddamn prop. Just gotta get it to be somewhat straight, I guess. I'll see how this comes out, and then I'll work on the rest. How about that? That's an idea. Because what I got to do is like this, and draw a. See, even then I can't, because I got to draw a hump on it. Humpty hump. Everybody got the humpty hump. So even this won't work. Jesus Christ. I think I'm just gonna go buy a real fucking knife blade and give it a zip. Or I'm gonna look around here and see what I got. So I'll be back. Okay, Wonder Twin Powers. No, I gotta pretend I know what I'm doing here and draw some kind of thing a bit jiggy here. So it's gotta go kind of like this, and then up around there, and then like that, and then kind of like that. Yeah, a little pointier maybe. There's a helicopter flying around at night. And if that ain't a little suspicious, I don't know what it is. Why is there a chopper at night? Somebody's getting busted. Just kidding. I'm gonna try to chop this off. That's how it looks. I might have to eyeball the first one, just copy all the rest. So hang with me there. Choppy. I really should turn this. You know what? Let me turn this thing around. Nah. You know what? It's not that goddamn exciting watching a metal shear. There we go. Yeah. Now, you see, even that kind of bent it a little. I'm going to have to play Grinder Fever with this thing. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for. Kind of. Yeah. Kind of what I'm working at. It might be about the same length. We'll see how it is. I'm gonna put on the grinder. I'm gonna pause here and put on the grinder and see what happens. Hello there, Tiggers. Hello. Yeah, I found a better piece of metal for this problem because this is a. I'll actually show you. I don't know if you can see the difference in thickness in this, but I'm making this shit heavy. So just taking the bends out of the ends, I guess. It rhymes, bends at the ends. Give it a nice little flattening out a little. May not be perfect, but so what I'm gonna do is I made this little prototype here, and what I'm gonna do is, if this thing's not super hot, first let me take the burrs off it. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I would do this on the grinder, but it grinds off too much, and it's just easier to do this on here. It takes off, this hand file takes off just enough, just what I want. Shit, can't even see me what the hell I'm doing. What am I doing? Anyway, cut that part out. Using a hand file here, and filing off the excess. There's quite a bit of excess on here. Some spots, there's quite a bit. What I'm gonna do is, should move this goddamn camera up a little, just a little. There we go. See, I'm just trying not to lose a finger while doing this because splinters are a pain in my ass that I don't need right now. I made the, ow, shit. Speaking of which, son of a bullet. Did I just jab myself one? Frick. God damn. Yeah, thank you. Turn this off. Surgery. Good thing I got a tetanus shot. Yeah, I think I just sliced my finger open. It's one of those it's one of those micro slices that hurt like a bastard. So anyway, that's one of the reasons why I'm deburring this whole thing, because I either got a piece of metal in me, or I got myself a nice little slice, and it really sucks because I can feel it and it's pissing me off. It's my fault. Took the freaking gloves off. No gloves or harmed. No good deal. Yeah, I think I just sliced my finger open. Here we go. And a little piece right there. The reason why I'm doing this is because what I'm going to do next is something very simple. I need to get this. Taking a scribe here, I'm going to put this on here like so. Actually, I'm going to get one of my favorite tools, a locking pliers. I'll make sure it sticks right in the middle here. I'm going to put it like this. Gotta get nice and tight. Tight as a frog's ass. See? This way I can scribble around it, and when I get to the grinder I don't have to worry about any shitty marks from a marker. This way it's all in here, nice and perfect. So there's one. There's 20 minutes of grinding. And here's another 20 minutes of grinding. Can't find it, grind it. So let's put this right about here. Middle. Ta-da. I'm gonna mark this off here. Shit, that doesn't move. That one. And we got this one. God damn, this thing pisses me off. I think there's a piece of metal right in there. Right frickin' in there. Oh well. We'll fix that metal in the finger in a brief, short moment. Alright, now let's go like this. Go like this. Line it up a little. Clamp that. Ta-da! In Houston, we have a, if you can see that, a little tiny pattern, and we should be able to replicate them all so they all look pretty similar. So yeah, enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching.